In this video, we show how to replace the LOM card on a PowerEdge R7625. Before removing the LOM card, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the R7625 service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the LOM card, you must first remove the system board. To remove the LOM card, loosen the two captive screws, securing it to the system board. Then, holding the edges, pull it to disengage the card from the system board. To install the LOM card, align it with the connector on the system board and insert it. Then, tighten the two screws to secure it to the system board. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.